Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the basic components of NC system. NC stands for numerical control. A numerical control is a form of programmable automation in which the process is controlled by a program which is written by making use of numbers, letters and symbols. Numerical control machine can be defined as a machine that can be controlled by a set of instructions called as a program. When the type of job changes, the program of instruction of the job also changes. It is easier to write the new program for each job. Therefore, the NC provides lot of flexibility in its use. The NC technology can be applied to a wide variety of operations like drafting, assembly operations, inspection operations, sheet metal working, etc. But it is more commonly used for various metal machining processes like turning, drilling, milling, shaping, etc. Due to NC, all the machining operations can be performed at fast rate, resulting in bulk manufacturing becoming quite cheaper. Now let us discuss about the basic components of NC system. The first basic component is program of instruction. The program of instruction is the detailed step-by-step setup of directions which tells the machine what to do and in what sequence we have to do. The most common input medium to give the program as an input to the machine is punched tape. Similarly, we can also make use of magnetic tape and even 35 motion picture film. The other two methods are manual data input method. This method is used for relatively simple jobs where the order will not be repeated. The second method is by means of a direct link with the computer. This is called as direct numerical control DNC. The second basic component of NC system is control unit, also called as machine control unit. It consists of electronics and hardware that read the program and interpret or execute the program of instructions and convert it into mechanical actions of the machine tool. The typical elements of conventional NC controllers unit include tape reader, data buffer, signal output channel to the machine tool, feedback channel from the machine tool, and the sequence control to coordinate the overall operations of the foregoing elements. It should be noted that nearly all modern NC systems are coming with a microcomputer as a control unit. The third important component of the NC system is machine tool or other control equipment. It is the part of the NC system which actually performs the useful work. The machine tool consists of work table, spindle, as well as motors, controls necessary to drive them, such as motors, cutting tools, work fixtures, and other auxiliary equipment needed in the machining operation. So, this is about the three basic components of NC system.